Kublai Pi Baro Shaka Tup Khubor Jani Karan Bosco Media Network. Kimat Bakong San Mentaka Sngi Kilong. Empatlah ai jing ken Khubor Na Ka Jylla yaki jing penlut haka jing syakta na ukyang jing pang COVID-19. Weng jing yaki ginong tre bala syong tat ka MDCL. In kentiu no Khubor Ka yaka mayrang Civil Subdivision Shaka Kerdan District. Ban Penram ka JSU yau Menteri Rang Ba Ka Jylla balap badan keti ban penyo environment clearance yaka star siman. Tementang ini apa sih khubor kibak hambnya. Khubor Na Ka Jylla kampat la ban ai jing ken hakabaya day bat ki jinglut jing sep hakaba sumari kitu kinong pang ki bala syakta na knyang jing pang COVID-19. Hakabaya day bat kane Menteri Rang Ba Ka Jylla ulaya thoba en sala ban pentip pat ba hadien kat to kat ni por ki jinglut jing sep baro haka jinge le persha ban te lakam ya jing sep priang jong knyang jing pang COVID-19. Menteri Rang Ba ulaya thoba ki ba bona ki jing pelut haka jinge le persha ya uni knyang jing pang kilong ki ba kensan ya ka ba Khubor Ka kam sham lakmi lenti.
More details to that, but the press conference also. So but the expenses have been far lesser. As mentioned earlier to everybody, that earlier last year, if you recall, we had to spend a lot because we had to spend close to 60-70 crores on laborers. We had to spend a lot on the people who were living outside. We had to spend a lot on bringing them back out here. We had to spend a lot on keeping them quarantined for many days. So all these activities, which really were situations which one never expected, and really the decisions of those moments are not very easy to take. But we just kept a simple point in our mind at that point in time that whatever the situation may be, we should ensure that we help our people as much as possible. And so we went ahead, and last year the expenditures touched across more than 400 crores. But this year it has not gone to that level. This year we have tried to minimize expenditure. Of course, there's always a balance between the social aspect of helping people and the limit to which we help and the financial resources. So it has not been easy for us, but in a nutshell, the expenditures are lesser compared to last year. But I can give that to you next week.
Menteri Rang Ba Ka Jylla ukonrat ke sangma mentaka sngi ulaya thoba ladon ka jing pom mi kiding hagi than apa Shillong hakaba penhe ek surok hapdeng ka sherpi bat tamabil. Menteri Rang Ba ula ong ba ula sngo lengo wat lada ladep yakran ba amdei ban pom miki. Menteri Rang Ba Ka Jylla ukonrat ke sangma mentaka sngi ulaya thoba ladon ka jing pom mi kiding hagi than apa Shillong hakaba penhe ek surok hapdeng ka sherpi bat tamabil. Menteri Rang Ba ula ong ba ula sngo lengo badan kani ka jing pom yaki ding wat lada ladep yakran ba amdei ban pom yaki. Ban penti kenaya kani Menteri Rang Ba ula pha yaki he sarkar jang ka PWD bat jang ka tunat forest ban penshisha yakani ka jing pom ding. Ula ong ba menta enhap ban pensange shwa yakani ka jing pen he surak la kumnu henriu banai khnang ba enla ban le yaka ei ka badai ban le. Ulaya thoba ladan ka jing ai mukad duma hapo ka yeng bishar high court hakabaya day bat kani ka jing pom ding ban pen he surak. Ula ong ba Khubor Ka kan hapru ban ap yakarai jong ka yeng bishar.
And therefore, before it went to a point where they would just go into some kind of a situation where they would cut everything, I told the team that wait, stop it, let us re-verify whether they are following the planned route or not. Because when I got the calls, I had messages from very, very senior people, which I don't want to name, and they told me that these are 150-year-old trees. So I told them that they are not being cut. Then those people said they are being cut. So when I was in Shillong, I was in Guwahati, I could not verify. So I said that, well, whatever the case may be, before it gets too late, let me ensure that just a moment, it's a matter of 2-3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, we'll just stop it. And then we'll see. So when that happened, then I got a confirmed report. Immediately I asked ACS Forest and PWD to go to the spot and send me pictures, live pictures, whether what I'm getting in the social media is correct, that in spite of the routes being set, they are still cutting those trees, or is it just a misunderstanding? So therefore, till the ACS went there at 11 o'clock, wrote back to me saying that, sir, those values are not cut, and they will not be cut. I was reassured, and that's when we allowed. But now there's some kind of a case also, so we're waiting for the High Court to give its order.
Menteri Rang Ba Ka Jylla ukon rat ke sangma mentakasngi ulaya thu ba ka MEECL ka de bandon na ka jong unong penyat khnang ba ki kam sambor elektrik kinyat bet yat renti ha ka Jylla. Habakran hikinong thokot Khubor u Chief Minister ulaya thu ba ka sorkar menta kadang wadi ubri uban penyat ya ka MEECL bar udai ru ban long ubat tip kumnu ban pet ki kam pisa tengka jong kaneka corporation.
And we felt, see, independent inquiry is independent inquiry. I think that has to be received, not received is already on paper and documentation. Nobody can do anything to that. But we felt as a team that because of the fact that right now MECL is facing and is going to inevitably face a very, very difficult financial situation in the coming 8 to 9 months. We needed a senior person, somebody who's connected with finance, to be there, at least for time being, to be able to steer the entire ship and closely coordinate the finance and move things forward. Rebecca also is very burdened. She has got a lot of departments with her. We will examine on how to move forward in this and see how we can maybe at the end find somebody who can be permanently a chairperson, because an organization like MECL requires a permanent person to be sitting there. So therefore, till that time, we get somebody permanently. We felt that somebody who's close with finance and a senior administrative person should come to it.
Kasorkar Jylla kadon ka jingthmu ban penkeu no eka mairang civil subdivision Shaka Kerdan district layathu Menteri Rang Ba Ka Jylla ukon rat ke sangma. Habakran hakinong thokot Khubor Menteri Rang Ba ula ong ba Kasorkar Jylla kala sngodei ban kentiu Kerdan no eka civil subdivision namarba ka West Khasi Hills kala sadin balat hakini kisnam baladam. Kani ke jingkentiu Kerdan district kalong ban wanra eka senshar khadar khamjan shakipat ba.
If you look at all this kind of plus and minus, I don't think we'll be able to take a decision. So, from the government's point of view, from the leadership point of view, decision making is the most critical part for us. So, we have to weigh all the options. And as I said, that when we look at the size of West Khasi Hills district, when we look at the economic standard of the people in West Khasi Hills, when we look at the sustainable development goals in West Khasi Hills has been neglected a lot. And to bring development and to raise the livelihood of the people in West Khasi Hills, which I've been speaking for a very, very long time, it's not just I say it now. The only way to do it is to bring the administration closer to the people. And this has been a demand of the people of Mayam area and the adjoining constituencies, and therefore it's a very genuine demand. Yes, you're right that there will be plus and minus, but then if we keep looking at that, then we won't move forward. So we will see as and when we find that yes, there's a genuine demand and there's a need to open up. We've always been for taking administration closer to the people, and this is a very justified demand.
Menteri Rang Ba Ka Jylla mentakasngi ula ong ba udan ka jing ang nuot ka bakrau banla banya penbet yi jing e khaput hapedeng ka Jylla Meghalaya bat asang. Menteri Rang Ba udan ka jing kermen ba enla ban nang weng suki ya kani ka jing e namar ba ka sorkar Meghalaya kadon ka jing de ka bajan bat Menteri Rang Ba ka asang.
The Minister had desired that before the 75th year of independence of the country, that all these issues, not just with Meghalaya Assam, but with Assam and other states also, should be resolved. So, therefore, again I'm repeating myself that it will be our endeavor and our desire and our efforts to resolve this within that time frame. It will be our efforts. But it all depends on how the talks move forward. It all depends on how the process moves forward. It all depends on how we are able to handle the situation and really ensure that, as I said, again I'm repeating myself, that we find an amicable solution. So it all depends on the discussions that take place. My humble suggestion would be that we don't go into details right now because it's at a very, very early stage. But as I said, the good part about this particular situation is that we have a new leadership in Assam and a positive relationship there, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to take these discussions in the right direction.
Hadin ba Menteri Rang Ba Ka Jylla ukon rat ke sangma ulapan benah ne kasngi ka arbu praterik mentau benah jeleu hajar arpoi ban ai district thamai no eka mairang. Katu kani ngut kinong yalam jong ka UDP kilalet ya kendui ukon rat sangma ban penken mau biang baki kiladawa ban ai district no eka civil subdivision sora khnang ban mentoi hakabayade bat karoi ka par jong kani kathan. Habekran Shakilat Pathai Khubor, President Jongka UDP Jongka East Khasi Hills District, Uba Tito Starwell Khan. Ulay thu uba ka jingya kundu jongki ya ukonran, kalong ban penken mau biang, bagi pat ba kanika than, adu menta kidangnya tengnya ka jingdawa, badai ban ai district no eka civil subdivision sora, bat ulay thu ruba nakaliang jong Chief Minister ulaong ba ka sorkar kandang bishar benya hakabaya day bat kanika benta.
Amka kalong kum ni na kalian kejungi bangi iba siam la announce itu long isu kwa wan ya kendu ibu kumba king ide ki nong yalam ki balaya keren aduk manswa tam na ka parti balaya keren ni ban yo upgrade ya ke suara civil subdivision ka district kan ni kejungi keren kadang ya na kalian ka government kumba kalapan iba kadon kata ka geographical problem let's say nangya penbet keempat dan kedua ke asuran sendiri kamut bala la give up ya ke idea dan mereka jingnya keren ngomong orang itu kan nangya ngidang exercise dia kata ngimpak ya keren lah aduh ngimpak ya keren kita ini sepet yo segi abun di babu jengkeli balai lah declare mairang sok rapat declare ini isu orang yang Aisyah, dari segi government kadang lah kejong ke timing buat leh ya.
Kah Neutrap Integrated Territorial Organization, kabu jengkeli ya Menteri Rangba Ka Jylla. Lau Menteri Kampo Yeng kari u Amit Shah, ha kejengwan jeng u Shillong, unya keren ne em halor ka isu ILP ha kabayade bat Ka Jylla Meghalaya. Habakeli kane u President Kahito uba don bok dekhar ulaong ba kum kinong song Ka Jylla kidon kam bantep kane namar kane kade ka isu kaba kipat ba Ka Jylla kilak mi lenti laslambha
sing Neutrap Integrated Territorial Organization hagasni ublay kata ka arf Neutrap benai Jun 2000 arfway nilak pha ka jinggali sha Menteri Rangba konrad ke sangma halor ka jingthumu wan Shillong Menteri Katanat Korbari u Amit Shah hau benai banwan ni naga liang jong ka sengila bu South Li ki jingkli hakmat Menteri kon Rangba konrat ke sama kita kilong kamneng kong kipat ba ki don ko hok bantip ladau Amit Shah unwan na em Meghalaya bat na benta ga ai kabaar ki ai kita kimat ki jingya kren ladau Amit Shah unwan kabalai hatu ka sorkar Jylla kan ya keren em halor ke jingdawa ILP kamat kabiyadai bat ka thamator bat ka jingya ka jiaput bat ka Assam bat kabasaw hatu kadai ka jingwan kai shimet lane kadai ka jingwan na kabanta ki kam kibayadai bat ka sinchar ka khatar bat ki kam ba na kalyang ka seng hito ka khmi lenti pa ukonrat badai Menteri Rangba trong Ka Jylla unjuba phikite ki jingli na ka benta ka jingbentoy kipat ba
kaseng JSU kala penramjur halor ka jingong Menteri Rangba Ka Jylla ukonrat ke sangma ba don kti ban tuklar ban penyo environment clearance ya ka star cement Henry na kaliang kaseng kampanyang yang kini ka jingburi ukonrat sangma na markat kum ka shithi bala pha da ka MOEF and CC sya ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ha ka arpo artarik urempang ladon ka benta jong ka shithi ba pen ba Menteri Rangba Ka Jylla ula pha RC ne ka shithi kata ha ka arpon riu tarik unai tung 8,000 arpo bar ha ka shipho tarik urempang 8,000 arpoi ban kerpat na ka Ministry of Environment Forest and Climate Change MOEF and CC ban pendon kamno da ka para 7 clause 5 stage 3 jong ka environmental impact assessment 8,000 henriu pendo no ya ka public hearing la ne ka jing pitsngo pat ba halor ka project ka star cement but enshim da ka jing tho but jing soi ki nong kershan but nong persha ya ka project but ban pha sha ka MOEF and CC kaseng ka penramjur ya ka jingle ukonran but kampryang da lele ya ka jingle don bor shimat ka jong u but ula pha jing tho sha ka tanan MOEF and CC jong ka sarkar India but kani ka jingle ju ukonran ka pen isai ba kamdon ka jinge tiplam lani ka jingya rap lang ya ka kanhon minister namar kum ba paw menta kidon ki Menteri jong Ka Jylla ki ba persha ya ka jingyo environment clearance ka star cement
kong wala nong hadin wiyo e kali environmental clearance na po Ministry of Environment kapan pausa hindi kalau bahas star sebentar kami sudah kurang musuh ikut ikhtiar sensar ngabandong hagasik schedule ne hagata surjung paipa lang bagi public hearing kabandung kong hi kan milapo ya city haga apa artrik ubanai ba ar aja afway kapan pausai ga ba usiam jungi ula thok ula syukur bar ula kren arsap ru igi paipa jonga jela bar khantame ega buri nyoktrep jongi namar bengilap ha city galong ba ke Ministry of Environment kapan pausai haga close ke ba lai ke ba ong ba the Chief Minister ba ay ka recommendation na naman request ba invoke ka para nyo jong gani ka EIA arjan rio ka bumod ba u siam sumla kwa so ban skap ka surupai ba ka kum gani ka para nyo handrai ude siam u konrat samahi ba pha ya ka Ministry of Environment bensim na gani written presentation ka bumod ba ya gani kot ka ba kisoy kumba aspa prapawut kibrio ba milap ro ba boni ni kibrio ba pli gidai ki balului kibrio pai ba haga ba gastar simen kelaya ban mit besngi menyo ban pha soi ya ki kot ban kersyani project gastar simen teu de hi u CM lamba u deputy commissioner jong izantia ki ba yarap sop gastar simen pha san ni kot aspa prokhomut kibrio ki ban kersyani project gastar simen nelian do sai ni pen pa sai ba ya kini sorkar pemerintah ngabandong sorkar MDA gajilom jongu kontrak sama na iba kemudian ke timbok dari kata ke konsensus ke bandira alam dan ke kabinet ya ke ke bayadai bat kini environmental clearance jongga star cement
Kinong tray balasong that jong ka MEECL ya ka baratip ki pensiona mantakas ki kila penlong ya ka jingya ki ka jong ki haplau office trekam jong ka MEECL halum jingsha Shillong Kinong tray balasong that bat ki badai banyo ya ka bai bam nong temen na ka MEECL kila don hadu lai hajar hendrius pangut hakabaya day bat kani ka jingya ki kinong ya lam jong kini kinong tray balasong that kila ya thu ba kila weng no ya kani ka jingya ki mantakas ni namar ba chief managing committee ulam menjur ban se ka bai nong temen jong ki na ka benta ukla lengkot bat urempang ar hajar ar phowe
has requested us to withdraw this dharna today. He called to the General Secretary last night, requesting him to withdraw the dharna. But after discussion over food, we said we cannot just withdraw like that. We will want to meet CMDs, sir, before we withdraw. We want to understand on what basis we will withdraw this dharna. So after the meeting we had just now, he has given his word that pension for the month of April and May this year will be cleared within this week. So we are confident and we took his word that whatever he says, we respect him and we believe in him so that our crisis will be resolved at the earliest. But we have categorically told him that if nothing happens within this week, then our agitation will resume again. We will have to reschedule our agitation. In the pensioners, total pensioners, as per the office record, it's more than 3,600, both service pensioners like us and also family pensioners. That means those husband or wife who serve in the MECL but have expired. So on behalf of the spouse, they got the family pension.
Okay, your name?
My name is Marius Kargunga, president of the...
For how long you have not been receiving this pension?
As I told, it is for the month of April and May, and now June also almost due.
Pada kitu ki khubor ngila poy sa kabakot tar hadu bangin lay sambiang khuplay shibut